Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down Bitcoin for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so we have the Bitcoin chart here in front of us. We are on the daily time frame. And basically what we can see is that Bitcoin has obviously been in quite a bullish run at the moment. So what we're trying to do now is trying to find a place where we can take advantage of the market and get in at a reasonable price before it continues to the upside, right? So obviously after every time a market has an impulse, there's a retracement, which will then be followed by an impulse or a break of structure and a change of trend, okay? But do we think Bitcoin's going to change trend right now? No, we don't. You've got the world's leading stock market companies investing into it and all these huge hedge funds adding into their portfolio. We definitely see Bitcoin going to the upside in the long run, right? So what I can see right here is an order block, okay? And basically a quick definition of what an order block is. It's basically an area in the market where there's buyers and sellers and they have initiated their orders, which has then driven price in a direction. So for this case, price is driven in an upwards direction, meaning that there were buyers in this order block. And that means that this is a very important area in the market. Now, on top of this, and it's actually one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video is because this exact spot right over here is the same time Tesla announced they put in $1.5 billion into the Bitcoin market, right? So generally what we see with an order block, we see price leave it, we see price take off, it'll come back, it respects the order block, fills in more orders, and then continues in the direction that it was going, okay? So what we can also clearly see on the left-hand side, we can see a break of structure, right? So this candle has smashed straight through the previous week's highs, which is also quite important because if it doesn't have enough power to break the structure, it means that this area here where this order block is, it means that there's big money being pumped into here. So basically this is billions and billions of dollars.
Oh my God!
So generally what happens is price will then come back, retest, chill for a while, and then move off in the direction and hopefully make new highs, okay? So what my plan is then to do a buy order, so sit over here with a stop just below the order block. And then my take profit one would be at the next high, which is a 1:7 risk to reward. And then I would close off maybe 30% or 50%, and I would let the rest run freely. Just because I know that Bitcoin has got the potential to be moving right now. So that's my analysis for today. Just to cover up again, I do think that all these other big emerging institutions and companies are going to want to get in at the same price Tesla got in, because at the end of the day, if Tesla got in over here, that just tells us that there's smart money getting put into here. It's clear of day. We can see exactly where it is. We've got the information to say that they've just entered the market, and that's I personally think is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. Now, don't get me wrong, I could be wrong, and price could literally just come boom, chill here for a bit, take off a little bit, and then all of a sudden, bang, take us out of trade, retest, and then continue to the lows of the previous weeks. But in all fairness, you're getting a 1:7 risk to reward. So if you practice your risk management and make sure that you don't lose your whole life, I'm pretty sure that you could get 7 times that. It's worth the trade, okay? So that's one of my trades. The next trade that I am in is this trade on the 4-hour. So basically the same thing applies with the order block. If we look down here, we can see a clear order block over there. Okay, so basically this candle here broke structure again because this was the previous high. Now it's broken that structure again, meaning that this is a clear order block. So it's basically from the wick high to the wick low, right? So as you can see, it came back, retested the order block, shot straight back up. So that's the kind of thing that we're wanting to see in this area here. We're wanting it to come back, retest, and then continue to the upside. But with all that being said, obviously there is FOMO in the market and we don't want to miss our trades. So I did take a little sneaky position over here that I am currently in. It was actually on Friday, and my stop loss is just below with my first take profit over there, okay? So, sorry, let me just put my phone on mute. So that is a 1:6.7, which is a great risk to reward as well. And you know what? If price does come and stop me out, and then get to this zone here, which is our second order block on the daily, I will then be going and maybe using double the amount of risk. So instead of risking like 2%, I'll maybe risk 4%. And then hopefully we can get some momentum back to the upside and get some good profits from that trade. So yes, guys, that's my analysis for Bitcoin. I know a lot of people think they have missed the move, but you know what, when you day trading it like this, you can still catch those moves, because if we catch one of these moves, we can maybe just call it a 1:7. You know, if you risk 10,000, you're making 70,000. And you know, that's in the space of a few hours. It could be a few days, but yeah, if you keep on trading it like that, you know, you can then take all your profits, put it into Bitcoin, and let them run, or you can withdraw them into your local currency and put them into other opportunities, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you liked it. Please do give it a like so that I can maybe think about making some more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend.